Keep many of us warm when the temperatures drop.
But while new features reduce their fire risk, they don't eliminate it. News 3's Martin Staunton has some advice in this report for your safety.
Good evening to you and to everyone watching. We're inside Home Depot on Victory Drive, and the manager here says this morning this shelf was filled with space heaters, and when the temperatures go down, the sales rise.
They are flying off of the shelf as quickly as they come in.
Space heaters are a very popular means to supplement home heat. According to the National Fire Protection Association, we're in the peak of the home heating fire season with a significant spike in those fires from December through February. Whether it's kerosene, propane, or even electric, most have modern safety features that make them a lot safer than they used to be, according to Captain Robert Neithold with the Pooler Fire Department, but improper use can still lead to fires.
Some of the biggest problems are using extension cords. You want to plug the space heater directly into the wall, otherwise it can overheat the extension cord. The other one is you want to keep 3 feet radius all the way around the space heater. Putting things too close, furniture, blankets, a couch, something like that can cause it to catch on fire.
The NFPA says most of these fires occur between 4 and 8 p.m., followed by the 8 to midnight time slot. But midnight to 8 a.m. is the window with the fewest fires, but the greatest number of fire deaths.
Before you plug in your space heater, make sure that your smoke detector is working and you have a good carbon monoxide detector.
These heaters bring an extra hazard over the holidays because they dry out the air in the room, and if the room is where the live Christmas tree is located, it elevates the fire risk.
With the dry air, obviously drying out a live Christmas tree and having electrical lights on it can cause a fire there. It's another hazard, so you want to keep your tree watered. When placing space heater, like I said, 3 feet around any object and keep it on a flat level surface where people won't trip over it out of the foot traffic.
Neithold says look for space heaters that are certified by Underwriters Laboratories with automatic shutoff features when it's tipped over or if it overheats. And Captain Neithold adds that one of the most important safety precautions in terms of preventing a fire with a space heater is to never leave one unattended. Reporting in Savannah, I'm Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.